Imagine a lake so deadly that it can turn birds into stone. Welcome to Lake Natron, one of the most bizarre and terrifying lakes on Earth. Stay with me, because what you are about to see is almost unbelievable. Lake Natron is located in Tanzania, East Africa. But this is no ordinary lake. Its water is so caustic and alkaline, it can burn the skin of any animal unlucky enough to touch it. The lake looks calm, but it hides a deadly secret beneath its surface. The water here is loaded with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, giving it a pH of over 10. This chemical mix is so strong that small animals and birds can instantly die on contact. Sometimes, their bodies are preserved in a stone-like state. Lake Natron is also a birthplace of life. Every year, thousands of flamingos come here to breed. The harsh water keeps predators away. The lake isn't just deadly, it's mesmerizing. Under the sun, its waters can turn red, orange, or even white, thanks to special microbes and minerals. Every color hides a story of life, death, and survival. Lake Natron is not just a natural wonder. It holds a special place in the lives of the local Mosse tribes for generations. They have respected this lake as both sacred and mysterious. According to their stories, the lake has a spirit of its own, one that protects the surrounding land and warns humans to be careful. Every year, adventurous visitors come from around the world to witness the lake's surreal landscapes. The bright red and orange waters under the scorching African sun, the eerie calm of petrified birds along the shoreline, and the spectacular gatherings of flamingos tourists are often struck by. The contrast, the lake's deadly nature against its breathtaking beauty. Scientists are particularly fascinated by Lake Natron, using it to study extreme ecosystems. They investigate how life adapts to such caustic conditions. Standing on its shores, one can feel both awe and respect. Lake Natron is a place where nature's power and artistry meet, teaching a silent lesson about survival, danger, and the fragile balance of life. Would you dare to visit?